ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kumshi Bynta juga jingpin krep dan rakhi ke International Water Conclave ara cara pusau ki kena skol haringkat bagi samla ke Bhoi district menta ke sengi kalai Bhoi trip ukala lingkon kle Shim Bynta shit rehem bah ke jing kop dro kini ke jing kop gure shapang ke jing koridor jong ko ban tingkai ban penne pen sa ya ka nak Bynta kalawi khamtam hakini ki jilari lum jongi lapin long ha district library hanongpo Uba MB Tongper Additional Deputy Commissioner ke Bhoi District ula pentip bagani gade ke Bynta beningkong ha ke district level ha ke baun se Jied ki Nongdro ke Tbit tam ki ban yo pat ban lek Shim Bynta ha ke state level Shushu ki sedanru ki we ki jing kop nu ke quiz public service announcement slogan writing but ki we ha ke laitrik uremphang na do ke por ko EBJ Science Hall
Many series of competitions which will be held, and today we're having the painting competition. This is the first phase which is done at the district level, and the finals will be done at the state level. There are other 4 programs which we have been told of. This is the public service announcement, the slogan writing, and the quiz competition. Most of these competitions are open to all except the quiz competition, which one part of it will be held with the schools and the colleges. This will be on the 3rd of February at 11 a.m. in the district science hall, Nongdro. I just want to mention that the International Water Conclave is a very big event, and this is being held in the backdrop of the state being one of the first states to have the water policy, and also the second most improved state in the GGM.